Is your 2022-2023 Kia Carnival key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit. This video provides a step-by-step guide to replacing the battery in both remote and smart key fobs, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. The DIY method is reliable, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to avoid damaging the fob. The 2022-2023 Kia Carnival key fob uses a CR232 3V lithium coin cell battery, widely available for $2 to $5. This battery powers the fob's transmitter for remote locking, unlocking, and proximity sensing in smart key models. A typical battery lasts 12 to 18 months, less in cold climates. Buying genuine or reputable brands can prevent premature failures due to counterfeit batteries. Locate the seam on the key fob, usually near the keychain attachment. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam and gently pry the case open. Be patient and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the plastic. The fob should separate into two halves. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, with the positive side facing up. Use tweezers to gently remove the old battery. Be careful not to damage the surrounding components on the circuit board. Now for step 3, installing the new battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the fob with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's securely in place and double-check the orientation before putting the fob back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap closed. Ensure the seam is flush and there are no gaps. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Kia Carnival. For smart keys, ensure the immobilizer isn't triggered. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's a fresh battery. Clean the battery contacts with a dry cloth. If issues persist, especially with smart keys, reprogramming at a Kia dealer may be needed. Consider using rechargeable or long-life batteries for future replacements.